Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Myself ARBINDYADAV. Today I am discussing a very important topic in Python programming language, and today our topic is list. List is one of the important topic in Python programming language. So in this session, I will try to cover all the types of Python list type of program. So before starting this video, about me, myself, Arvind Yadav, here is my contact number. In case of any doubt, you will be contacting this particular number. About me, myself, Arvind Yadav, I am Python full stack developer and automation engineer. So, Python in list topic. List is one of the important topic is Python programming language. So, lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are four types of built-up data types in Python used in store collection of data, and other three are tuples and set two and dictionary are different quality and usage. Lists are created using the square braces like list Sonam, Gola, Arvind. This is a method of list like a three random name taken in the list. So list is creating the square braces and print list. So we can understand in the compiler before first we learn theory section. List list item are ordered, changeable and allowed to duplicate value. List item are indexes. First item has been indexed in 0 and second item has indexed is 1 etc. So Python list item, change list item, add list item, remove list item and loop, sorting list, copy list, join list. This is a method of Python programming language. So we will learn each topic in very strong approach. So we can first we understand Python basic uh, in list section. So first we write a list like a name is equal to write in square bracket, and a square bracket like using string like Arvind, like like Ansika, and third is like Devan, and fourth one is like a Sachin, and write in single quote. So Sachin. So first we need to check in type of uh, right check in type. What is type? So our type is like this, and check control yes and check the list type. So here is class is list. So we are learning to list. So check before the learning any topic, we need to must know what is this. So this is a list section. So this is here is list section, and now how to print the list? Print list in simply write a name. So list should be printed in this way, like this. So class in list is A, or list is name is like Arvind, Ansika, Devanand, Sachin. This is a item of list. So second number like indexing. Print like we want to. Suppose we write another list. First we understand the basic concept of list. How to create another list. Suppose we can create another list like numeric number like this, and write curly bracket 2 3 4 5 4 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 8 randomly something, write like any value 98, 45, 87, and 46, and 78, and 92. And this is a right in list. And check again, print type name like this, and print name. Print like name, not names, like a number, because we are changing the list. So here we can write number. So we can save and like this and run program. Like the list 23, 44, 64, and 97. This is a way of list program. So now move to learn second concept. Like this is a creating using in the square bracket, and this is a printing up list. Now our second point is list is order, changeable and allowed to duplicate value. It's mean लिस्ट इज आर्डर मतलब ये वेरी करता है 0 1 2 3 4 से एक सिस्टमेटिक आर्डर से. लिस्ट विल बी चेंजेबल मतलब इट इज म्यूटेबल. इट्स मीन इसको चेंज किया जा सकता है. लिस्ट में जैसे कि कोई भी पार्टिकुलर एरिया सेक्शन को हम एक चेंज कर सकते हैं. एंड अलाउ डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू और सेम टाइप के नेम अलाउ हो सकते हैं. लाइक दिस सपोज लाइक वी राइट अगेन in suppose same duplicate value like a 45, again we write the 45 value like 45, again write 45. So duplicate value should be allowed. Compile. So 45 is like this is a duplicate value and allow. This is a order 0 1 2 3 4 this type. And list item indexing, first item is a 0 and second item is a 1. So this is a how to write in list item. The list indexing in 0 1. Suppose how to write index. Suppose print num number comma square bracket 0. 0 is like this. 0 is what is expected output 23. So this is type of like this. Expected output 23 because we are ordering 2 3. Suppose if you want to print 0 2 2 like this for 66. So what is indexing 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 0 to 6 and by default indexing in 0 to 6. So how to print? Suppose like this and indexing will be put in the 45. This is a second option. So our first question is printing the 0 1. Suppose if someone want to print this 8 to 45. So how to print? So this is a method of print num number write like this and print 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. So 8 to int up to int there is filling the blank end of the section. So here write this type like 945 23 and this way. This is a way of writing. So this is topic of indexing of list. Indexing of list. Now our second topic like what is the sorting? Like print like number and number sort like this. Suppose first we want to sorting this list, so we can write like this. We can write mm, suppose sorting of list. So here num dot sort like this and print number like this due to unexpected error. Why? Reason behind that, because we are already writing. Here is multiple column. So here unexpected control S, and here program is writing this. This is a way of sorting of list. It means arranging order, increasing order 8, 23, 45, then 56, 67, 67, and 23 and 45. This is a arranging increasing order of list. This method is called the sorting. Sorting of list. This is a method of sorting of list like this. So we can sorting like. So our next concept, how to sort a alphabetic series. So this is a very interesting question. So suppose we make a list. Suppose like make a list color and list indentation in square braces, and like color is green, second like orange, third one like pink, and fourth one is like yellow, and fifth one like is purple, fifth one is like magenta. So this is a type of color. So we focus on the sorting of the list. So how to sort the list? First write color dot sort, and this is a like this method, and print. Suppose like this, first before the sorting, print color, and third print before sorting. So this is a method of sorting. So we can go in the compiler, green, magenta, orange, pink. This is a method way of our list, and this is a after sorting list. So how can write in very systematic way like this, sorting after list. It's like this. It's like this. Sorting before list. Sorting before list like this type, and sorting before like in this method. This is a way of writing the list. So this is a alphabetic series. This is a number series already in discussion both method. Let move on theory portion. So how to remove and suppose list sorting method and sort list number like this in sort, and this is sort already discussed. Sort descending use of keyword argument reverse is true. So the list like this and this list is reverse like is equal to true. So this print like that like that. So how to write a reverse program? So where clearly we write a very systematic program, make a list like number, make curly bracket 23, 56, 87, 23, 45, 69, 12, 34, 57 and 78, 99, 54, 67 and 34. This is a at random list writing the first week before write a list, print number, second number bracket dot sort like and reverse equal to true like this, and then print like the number. Clear scan and write the program. This is a before sorting the, this is a decreasing order of program because before this is our list, so at randomly we have write it. Then after when apply the reverse concept, the list is sorting 32, 99, 89, and this is a method of reversing. Second method, print number like this. This is a method of reverse list. So comment in this section. Now move to this is a descending order of list. Now copy of the list. Suppose list 1 and list 2, because list 1 only in refer in list 1, so change and made of list 1 will automatically also made in the list 2. So there are make a copy and one can be built up list in copy method. Suppose list 1 is like this is ascending value and list 2 is like value in this, and list 1 and list 2 is printed. So how to Python express in list? So length will be calculated like 1, 2, 3. So we can learn some good concept like suppose we num 1 equal to learn some list 1, 2, 3, 4 and print length of list. like this. Like write and learn in this approach. So control yes and save this program and go to compiler and run the program. So length of each 4. Why 4? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose if length increase 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 46, and here is, so this is a method. So control yes and write. This is a 13 member of the list. This is a length of list. Now second point. Suppose list 1 change suppose list 1 is like number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like 13 list in the section. Same list 2 mango, orange, papaya, apple. Like this is a fruit of this list 2. List 1 and list 2. So how to which concept in learn, this is a particular thing. So our basic things, suppose list 1 and list 2. So concatenation. So list we will write in the same method. Suppose print list 1 like this and like this and single inverted comma plus and like list 2 2. So here we can learn and like list 1, here is list 1 and here is list 2. We can add in the single list. So sort, suppose if you are going to sorting the list 1, so list 1 in sorting, sort and list 2, 2 dot sort like this method. So print list 1 same and like list 2. So control S and same. Like list 1 is sorting this method and list 1 is sorting like in this method. Next point is 3 is true, like this, and this is a method. So indexing, slicing, and matricing. Already I have discussed in the indexing. This suppose point, this is a like in a zero position. This is a one position. This is a third two position. So suppose we list in two positions. So spam is display. Offset starting 0 because this point is 0, this point is 0 1, and this point is 2. -2, -1, -2, -3, spam is display. So this is a all important topic in the list, and I will discuss in next video in detail how to learn various other method of list. So thank you so much for watching this video.